Hey guys!
Morning. We are going to go grab a snack right up the road and then head into KL for the afternoon and evening.
What'd you get, Bob?
Ginger and spring onion pork with rice.
Yummy.
Smells so good. So far we've had 4 meals and every single one has just been like amazing. So I've got high hopes.
Okay.
It's really good, yeah. There's so much ginger. Oh, so yum. Oh my gosh. Could feel that. You gonna try it?
Yeah, I do want to try.
Just rice or meat or not?
Both, everything. A little bit of everything.
It's really yummy. It's like the best Chinese restaurant back home. I also got a coffee. My dish and the coffee is like 9 ringgit, so $3 Aussie dollars.
So I got a fish ball noodle soup. It's really, really tasty. It smells amazing. Very, very fishy, but in a good way. And I also got just a Chinese tea.
Tea.
Very
Cold?
good.
Hot.
Hot tea.
Hot tea.
These noodles are very difficult to eat. They're like hard to pick up. Oh my god.
How embarrassing.
I know.
Fish balls. Fish meat, like fish cake.
Very tasty. I'm trying to book our grab.
So just finished our meal. Was less than 16 ringgit, 5 Aussie dollars total. It's pretty insane for 2 meals and 2 drinks. So yeah, we had just order in a grab and we are off to the city central. Yeah, cool. So we are where?
The Outlet Plaza.
Outlet Plaza in KL. Basically it's like 8 floors of technology. Pretty much the same stuff on every level. So to come here, you only need to see one level. But nonetheless, it was like really cool to see. I heard that New York is like a city for shopping if you want to ever go there. I feel like Malaysia might actually have that record because
Oh my god,
there
yeah.
is that many huge like shopping malls and just stuff everywhere. Yeah.
It's not even funny, there's so many. This is the 3rd mall that we've been in and we've just been walking around.
Walked maybe like not even like 500 meters along the street.
There's just so many things.
And they're all like at least 4 or 5 stories tall.
decorations are insane. It's
Pretty
so
crazy.
beautiful.
There's at least 15 Christmas trees down there. At least.
We're now at a place called Tea Life, I think, or Tea Leaf.
I think it's a play on like tea leaf.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. If you can hear me, I got bubble tea. I got the original flavour. It's so tasty. So the bubbles were actually warm. It was so strange, but they were warm and it was pretty good. And we also got like some little chicken, like popcorn chickens.
Can't see them.
This is what they look like.
Yummy.
They're super tasty. Then got a matcha, red bean drink. He's already done his. But I'm still going on mine.
We're walking to the KLCC park because you can get a pretty good view of the Petronas Towers.
And what's really cool about walking there is from the pavilion area, they have like these really high walkways, so basically you can walk through there without going on the ground, and they're all covered in air conditioning, so no rain.
It's awesome.
Another Christmas tree. It's very big.
This one's the biggest one.
Yeah, I can't believe so many Christmas trees. I don't even know where we are at the moment. That's pretty cool, yeah.
We're in Kale.
Don't fall! Don't fall! Yeah, don't fall! Don't fall! Wow! Oh my goodness! They're the towers! That's so beautiful! Hi guys,
Hey
so
guys.
it's raining so much, but guess what? Guess say what?
What?
We found the KL Towers!
Yay, the Twin Towers.
The Petronas Towers, actually.
They look so cool. There's like this huge Christmas tree and then the Petronas Towers right up there. Maybe we might walk around this park a little bit to get like a cool view as well. So we'll have a wander around this park and show you around a bit, and yeah.
I'm falling in love with KL.
I look a bit goofy with my foot.
You're always goofy.
Yeah. Okay, here you go.
Wow. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I can't believe that. Like, I honestly cannot believe that we are in Kuala Lumpur right now. That just makes me so excited. It's snowing. Hey guys, so that was us in KL for the first time. It was really cool. I loved it a lot. I don't really know what else to say.
We didn't do too much. It was pretty. Oops, that way. The weather was pretty shitty, but it was still really nice to have a wander around and have a look at all the things.
Yeah, definitely.
They go hard for Christmas, that's
They
for
do,
sure.
yeah. I think because there's so many shopping centres here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks guys. Remember to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to Lovelivexplore.